don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby.
Hello, good afternoon. So I am going to be organizing my makeup Alex drawers because they are a disaster. Let me show you inside. There is one of them. It gets way worse. Look at this. So messy. This is so bad. So I need to get these all organized because I took out my desk. My desk used to be in this area, but I wasn't using it anymore, so it was just taking up unnecessary space. So I want to get a full-length mirror for right there. I think that would look good. And then of course my makeup units are there, and then I have this huge bookshelf over here, which is really unorganized as well. So I want to get this all in order. My room is just looking a hot mess, so it needs a little tender loving care. James, my husband, is out there doing the hardwood floors right now, so I'm gonna get to work and start on this. But since he is out there right now working on the floors, I'll show you his progress. It's looking so good. So he's doing good with all of that, so I'm gonna get started on my project.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
Got some mail delivered to my door, so I'll show you what I got. There are a few things that I did pick up at Walmart, however. For instance, these look-alike Golden Goose sneakers. They were only $5. What the heck? They were originally $17. So I thought that was such an amazing steal. And they really do look like that same style of sneaker. So I would check out your local Walmart. Ours is still open, obviously, for grocery shopping and things like that. While I was there, I did stop into their shoe section as well as their little girls and toy section, just because I wanted to get Kenzie some Easter items. So I did get her a bunch of things for her Easter basket, along with these adorable little undies. She is being potty trained right now, so I had to pick up a few items for her. I did do some online shopping, so I wanted to show you. This first item is actually not for me, it's for my best friend. Her birthday was a few weeks ago. She lives on the East Coast, so it's really sad we don't get to celebrate. But this cup I wanted to mention because I got this off Amazon, and it's a customizable mug, and this is obviously me on the left and her on the right. It's so perfect because she wears her hair in that style a lot. And then you can put your names at the bottom, Kelsey and Mariah. And she's holding a red wine glass and I'm holding a white wine glass. And then on the back it says, "Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are there." Isn't that so cute? and then this is just like an inside joke. You can like write one thing at the bottom too, so that's just like our inside joke. But I love this, and I think it was under 20 bucks. If you're needing a good gift for someone, I think this is perfect. I just love how customizable they are. So that was the first thing I picked up for her. I also found this really cute Sex and the City book, and she's obsessed with Sex and the City. We used to watch it together all the time. When I got this in the mail, I loved it so much. I wanted it for myself, and I got this also off Amazon. It is just a whole entire book about everything in the show. It has, of course, all of the characters, different episodes. If you are a Sex and the City fan, like me, you will probably love this book so much. I can't wait to get this package set up and sent off to her. I'm still waiting on one other item. I also just got these in from Amazon. These are some new blue light blocking glasses. They have really cute glasses. I highly recommend checking them out. I am super impressed with these, I'm not gonna lie. I have tried so many blue light blocking glasses, but I have been wearing these for probably a week now. I love the shape of these on my face specifically. I think they just look really good. Not only that, the quality of them is really great. So I'll leave them linked if you guys are needing some. I know that right now technology is all in our face, and I am on social media all the time. So blue light blocking glasses are supposed to help the strain and not give you headaches. So I've been definitely wearing these a lot lately. Another thing that was just delivered were these Nike Air Maxes. I am so excited about these. I cannot wait to put these on. So I picked out these Air Maxes, and they just got here, and oh my gosh, I am in love. I think they're so gorgeous, and as a mom, I'm always wearing tennis shoes, so I definitely wanted something that was comfortable, that I could wear every day, and I think these are going to work perfect.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hi, Talents! Welcome back to my channel.
Alright, let's go to the park.
I want a Happy Meal with burger. With burger.
Burger?
Yeah, burger.
I got you chicken nuggets. Hello.
A Happy Meal.
Wait 1 minute. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Have a good one.
Only my Happy Meal.
It's a treat day, so I got her McDonald's Happy Meal. She's been using the potty really well, so you get a treat today, okay?
I gotta get my toy. Where's my toy? Where's my toy? Where's my toy?
What is that?
A lion.
A lion?
Yeah.
Do you love it? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe.
We just got back into our car. We stopped at the Dollar Tree. I needed to pick up a few more things for her Easter basket, and we also just got some miscellaneous things. She was a really good girl today, weren't you, Kenzie? She was such a good girl. We were at the checkout line, and she had a small sucker in her hand, but she saw this big one, and you wanted that one really bad, didn't you? And of course, Mom caved. Such a pushover. I had to get her an Easter basket because I couldn't find our Easter basket that we generally use for her in our garage anywhere. So I just stopped at the Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of different options. This might be too small, but I'm still gonna try it out. I originally had the teal one in my hand, but she saw this purple one and was like, I have to have that. And then she picked out a mermaid Barbie. Isn't that so cute? She also spotted this nail polish. Note to self, don't go shopping for your toddler when you're with her. She wanted everything she saw. I've seen these on Amazon and people rave about them. They're exfoliating foot treatment mask. And then I got the moisturizing foot mask as well. So basically it's like a sock and you put it on your feet for an hour, and it's supposed to take off all of like that nasty dead skin. And then you put the moisturizing ones on and it's supposed to make your feet super soft. So I'm curious how these ones perform versus the ones on Amazon. It's funny because I was literally on Amazon last night and I put these in my cart. They were $25, which I thought was so expensive, so I didn't want to spend that much. And then when I was at the Dollar Tree, I saw these. I did pick up an e.l.f. lipstick for myself. This is in the color Classy. It looked really pretty and perfect for summer. Alright, we're home now. Kenzie just had her bath. Now she is watching Nemo, but I need to put her Easter basket together before she comes out here wondering what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna put everything that I got in here. The sun is going down, so I didn't get a chance to finish all of the drawers. I think I have about 3 left. But I did finish the top row of drawers, and I'm happy with how it came out. This drawer has my blushes, my loose eyeshadows in these 2, extra lip products, mascaras, eyeshadow palettes, and then eyeshadow palettes in the back. Kenzie is watching a movie in the background, if you hear that. And then this drawer, I have primers, I have eyelash glue, eyebrow pencils, and black eyeliner pencils. Then all of this is like extra foundation. Then back here I have samples of perfumes, just different miscellaneous samples. And then all of my extra products I put in the back there. Then down from there I have all of my face wipes. And then again, miscellaneous products that I either have extra of or don't always reach for. Different sunscreens, body butters. I do use this like every night, but I have a little container of it right now. That is what I'm going to show you guys for right now. I might do like a more in-depth showing you the entire thing. So we are just winding down. It is around 7:30 p.m. right now, Pacific time. I'm about to go put Kenzie down for nighttime, and I just wanted to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for your support. If you aren't subscribed, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much. And I'll see you on Friday's video. Sorry again, my weeks have been so off with posting. This quarantine has really thrown off a lot of things for me. So me and my husband have just been trying to figure out our lives right now, and I'm sure most of you are in the same boat, so I apologize. There's just a lot of moving parts. My husband's business shut down until further notice, so we are just trying to hang in there, and I hope you guys understand. We'll get back someday soon to a regular posting schedule, but thank you guys so much. I love you all, and have a wonderful night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!